So we're going to be using pattern games for this. And so what a pattern game is a game that you have practiced at home and it's predictable for your dog to play. They know the game, it has a predictable pattern, and it looks familiar to your dog. So I do a little jackpot there, and then I'm going to wait for offered focus again.
Ready? Yes.
Give that session start cue. Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. All done.
And then her end cue. And you can see I disengage, I look elsewhere, I walk around a little bit. So I have very little baby Vivid here, and you can see I'm having her lure. We're using canned food, so it's nice, and she's licking it off. That way she's getting reinforcement the entire time. You can see I'm having her practice follow my hands in different ways. I want to make sure that in order for my hand to move, she has to be fully engaged with it. So she has to be actively eating the food. You can see I go right into some fun fast recalls are her favorite, so treat toss and running away. Really trying to get her wanting to run full out when she's at this place.